Hello, and welcome to today's outline on the workshop with charts about cholera prevention in children, today being the 28th day of March 2019. My name is Matilda Amani. I'm a representative of the Stay Cholera Free campaign, and the aim of this campaign is to educate the general public about the dangers of cholera in children and how to prevent it. Cholera has been a serious health attack that kills nearly 100,000 people annually in so many communities. It is an infectious disease that causes severe watery diarrhea and can lead to dehydration and kills within hours if left untreated. Who is at risk of cholera? Cholera could affect anyone, but people with low immunity, such as malnourished children or people living with HIV, are at greater risk of death if infected with this disease. Let's take a look at different solutions. What do? We can prevent cholera and keep our children safe by developing healthy habits. These include teaching them to drink clean water, wash fruits and vegetables properly before cooking and eating, wash hands with soap regularly, keep the environment clean, and finally, go to the nearby health care center for regular checkups. After the 2 minutes break, we'll discuss about different subtopics on about preventing cholera from in children and how we can better live our lives safe. Well, welcome back. Well, during this workshop, we'll discuss about the different health issues associated with cholera. First of all, we'll learn to recognize the early symptoms of cholera, which includes fever, diarrhea, vomiting, severe dehydration, and drowsiness, especially in children. We'll also talk about the different preventive measures of cholera, just as earlier mentioned. Clean your environment, always wash your hands, drink only clean water, wash fruits and vegetables, go see the doctors. All these are preventive measures. And finally, we'll discuss about how we can schedule appointments and have routine checkups with our doctor. This is one of the most important things we must do in order to prevent cholera. Sometimes we are too busy to go see the doctor, but in order to prevent cholera and notice the symptoms and notice that it's affecting us on time so we can treat it, we must go see the doctor. Well, after the break, we would have an activity, and in this activity, we'll teach different methods of water treatment, which includes boiling the water to a certain degree, chemically treating the water, and finally, drinking bottled water if the other two methods cannot be done. You could drink bottled water because they are better than drinking water that is not treated or that is not boiled. To wrap it all up, cholera is not a disease to be overlooked, and its prevention is basically dependent on access to safe water, adequate sanitation, and basic hygiene needs. These are basically what one has to do in order to avoid cholera. Our mission is to create a society where parents and guardians and other population are fully aware of the causes of cholera and are well educated on the different methods that they would apply to better prevent cholera from affecting the health of their children. Thank you so much for being with us in today's discussion. I hope we've learned one or two about how we can better keep ourselves safe, how we can better live healthy, and how we can better love and see our children happy. So when we do all that we've mentioned today, when we take these preventive measures very seriously, we would see the changes in the society. We'll see that our children are living longer and happier and healthier. We'll see that cholera is no longer a problem in the society. Thank you very much once again. Hope to see you next week. Bye.